guys, Chainsaw Chad, and welcome back to another video. So today we are going to be, actually this week, we're going to be carving these trees here. These are the ones we cut down past video. That one over there, it's going to be a rocket. And here's going to be a big bear. It's about 10 feet tall right now. Might have to trim a little bit off the top, I'm not sure yet. But yeah, got my saws here, just gassed them up. So I'm gonna get my gear on and yeah, I'll start whittling away. See if we can carve us a bear. Alright, got all my stuff on here. I usually try wearing this big helmet here when I'm running the big saw. I had a kickback one time. It got me right in the helmet there, so it was a good thing I had my helmet on. So I always try to wear this when I'm using the big saw. It's a big tree. got a good start on it. I'm gonna take a little water break here. Yeah, I think I might go a little bit further down on the sides here. Go a little bit further down there. It has more legs. Give me a big bear. Back at the shop. I've grabbed some more chains, sharpened a couple more. Yeah, I just want to show you guys all these slabs that I peeled and stuff and stickered. I'll show you what I mean by the stickering part. So this is, these are all the slabs here. Peeled all the bark off. This is a sticker. Just gives the space in between so airflow can get in there. Each one has its own little slot where airflow can get in. It dries them out a lot better. Yeah, we've got this whole stack there, another stack here. Got my bear out here now, and then this stack over here. Got them all peeled, all set. So usually I don't do on-site carvings. I have a lot of people that ask me to do on-site carvings. The reason is the insurance. The only reason I'm doing this is I'm doing it for the school, and they gave me all this wood, so I actually had to take out an extra insurance policy just to do this carving, these two carvings, and the insurance is just through the roof. So it's not worth me going to people's houses, traveling around. Alright guys, we just got the bear finished, got the bottom peeled. Yeah, now we gotta start on the rocket. Yeah, here's the finished bear. Got the bark all peeled off the bottom. Yeah, now let's start working on the rocket here. Cut off a little bit off the top here. It's a little bit too tall. So let's get started.